Is that you? I knew I seen you in there. Hello, guys. How's my knife heads doing today? Yes, you. I'm talking about you too. And you. Definitely you in the tree right there. You too. Way over here. You know I got you too. Come on. Knife heads. How's it going today? Today, I'm going to show you a couple pieces. You might already seen, you might not. Who knows? I guess this will be for my loyal knife heads and my newer knife heads that come along in the last month, 2 months. So let's get into it. And at the end, I'm going to show you something I just got. First up, I got the stag handled rat. Look how thick that stag is. That's what you call a fat boy. I got something in my beard. That's a fat boy. This one's got brass pins and brass liners. You can see no gappage. No gappage. We don't play that around here. And then we got a screaming bull on our hands. Going ninja school here. That is 40865. I just want to let you know, brother, I'm thinking about you. Sorry to hear. Sorry to hear. I haven't had to go through that myself yet, but it's coming. It always is. So, I don't know what you're going through, but I can only imagine. So this is the muskrat for the Muskrat Mafia. This is genuine stag muskrat. How do I know? It says genuine stag muskrat SS on the tang stamp. And this is a 1995 case, 1995 stag muskrat, both with the clip points. No half stops. It's just a straight beast. One of my favorite muskrats I own. You guys probably figured that, right? And then I got another oldie. It's a stag handle. No gaps. It's pretty much smooth up front here. But in the back is where you got all you working at. Look at that. Look at that stag. It's not straight down Broadway, but almost. I'll let it slide. It's a single blade trapper. National Knife Club, 1979. Case stainless, USA. 1 dot. On the back it says 5154 SSP NKCA 1979 with the brush finish with the clip point. Single blade. That, my friends, is a doll baby darling right there. Come on. This one's got nickel silver pins. nickel silver liners. I mean, look at that back springs. It looks like it's all one. I assure you guys, it ain't. It has back springs back, liners back there. But it looks like one, because it's so freaking tight. Come on. Just to let everybody know, I am going live at 2:30 or 2:35, and I'm giving away my Rosecraft Cane Creek Jack and my Boker Plus, giving them away today at 2:35. So y'all come and join me, and we'll have a good time. It's going to be right here on the Knife Nut channel live. Come on. Let's see what else I got. That's two of what I'm carrying. I got one more, I do believe. Then I got a surprise. You all know it. I've been showing it for this whole week here. Every day. I ain't going to say. It's a GEC 49 pattern with the sheep's foot. Before I get into this surprise here, guys, I got something I want to talk to y'all about. You know that trade I did a couple weeks ago with the 2 rail splitters and that Queen Mammoth canoe? The guy got them yesterday. He got a box. The post office ripped the box. No knives in there, nothing. So it's been real hard on me the last night and this morning. That's all I can been thinking about. I'm not here telling you guys this for sympathy, apologies, or nothing. I lost over $600 in one box. So when you ship something, you need to wrap the whole box in tape 2 or 3 times. I wrapped the ends where it wouldn't come open, and the post office wrapped the paper they put on it. But someone cut the side of it in the corner, and it ripped all the way back. And it's funny because I had them in something where they wouldn't have come out. I had all 3 knives in bubble wrap, so someone had to reach in there and pull them out. There's something funny about this, but I ain't accusing nobody. I'm accusing the post office. But I'm getting ready to call my post office when they open. And I'm going to call his post office in just a little bit and see what's up. But that's enough of that nonsense. I got me something new. I figured I'd open it up for y'all. This is Blue Bone Rogers Corn Cob Jigged Razor 62005 RAZSS. Check that out, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that razor, boys. Y'all know I'm a razor fan, right? Got the half stops. Straight down Broadway. No gappage. Perfect. That's all you're going to see of that for now. I gotta check it out. I actually got this knife where I can do a hard use on it to show you guys. So be looking for that, a hard use on the razor. Come on. Y'all be good. Stay classy. I love y'all. Stay classy. You hear?